Hot Wheels Fiat 500e HTD03 HW225 2024 W22 250 1/64 scale. This model brings the iconic Italian city car into the die-cast world with charm, detail, and electric power. The real Fiat 500e features a 42 kilowattish electric motor Producons with a top speed of 150 km/h, perfect for city adventures, in 118 HP, hitting 100 km/h in 9 seconds. Hot Wheels captures the sleek curves, compact size, and unmistakable Fiat design. Its minimalistic style and electric essence make it a standout in the 2024 series. The Fiat 500e represents the future of urban mobility, blending sustainability with classic Italian aesthetics. It's small, efficient, and full of personality. This 1/64 scale model is ideal for collectors who appreciate the evolution of city cars and the growing presence of electric vehicles in the automotive world. Add this electric gem to your collection and let the Fiat 500e bring some eco-friendly Italian charm to your dioramas.